Our wildlife economy exemplifies the harmony we strive for, sustainable collaboration and efficient consistency, coexistence that unlock vast opportunities for communities living alongside nature. In this space, ecotourism ventures create jobs and boost local business, while carbon credit trading and programs provide direct financial benefits to those engaged in ecological stewardship. Community conservancies have transformed livelihoods by generating both direct and indirect income streams from grassroots levels, from villages, all the way to our national platform. Consider the example of Kalama Conservancy in Samburu County, where Saruni Lodge generates nearly Kenya shillings 1 billion annually through tourism revenue and employment opportunities in that ecosystem. Similarly, the Sero Lobi Conservancy, home to northern Kenya's only community rhino sanctuary, attracts thousands of visitors each year, fostering economic growth and conservation pride. In Taita Taveta County, Kambanga Ranch has implemented predator-proof bomas to harmonize livestock farming with wildlife conservation, reducing losses and fostering coexistence. Likewise, the Chulu Red project, with 65% of its area within Chulu National Park, exemplifies the broader benefits of conservation. Since 2019, it has created 450 jobs, 80% of which are for wildlife rangers, provided daily school meals to 35,000 children across 94 primary schools, and awarded nearly 4,000 scholarships across Rombo, Kuku, and Birikani group ranches in Kajiado County. These examples remind us that wildlife conservation is not just about preservation. It is a dynamic resource that transforms lives, uplifts families, and strengthens communities. By investing in conservation and equitably sharing its benefits, we are building a future where both nature and humanity can thrive together.